Most smaller TVs have very small inefficient speakers. In a truck camper with a 15,000 BTU AC roaring overhead, it was impossible to hear dialogue in movies even with the TV turned up to the maximum setting of 100. So we added a pair of wireless Bluetooth Roku home theater speakers that are powered by 110 volts AC. They are freestanding but can also mount to a wall using a 1/4-20 nutsert placed in the back. I reinforced the thin wall covering with 3/4-inch pine. Metal brackets were also added to support the 3-pound speaker weight independent of the single mounting screw just for the rigors of truck camping. In previous camper applications, I had installed a soundbar at the head of the bed to accomplish a similar result. However, with the Roku wireless wall-mounted speakers, there are no power and audio cables to deal with, and we don't have to worry about bumping our heads on the soundbar.
Come a little closer. I don't bite. Do I surprise you?
A little, yes.
These speakers, set at a volume level of 20, are louder than the TV speakers set at 100. At 35, they completely drowned out the AC. At a setting of 50, you have a real IMAX experience.
The rest of us escaped underground. Then centuries later, when we tried to re-emerge into the sun again, we couldn't. So we bred ourselves into castes. Some to be our eyes and ears, some to be our muscles and sinews.
Oh, you mean you're hunters?
Without that control.
With the speakers facing forward in the cab over, they are still plenty loud enough for viewing from the dinette couch.
Matter of months.
Food supply. They're human beings.
Who are you to question 800,000 years of evolution?
This is a perversion of every natural law.
I want to look inside your memories.
The most remarkable thing is that even when set to 65, you can barely hear anything outside the camper.
Haunted by those two most terrible. What?